Barney. So we have a problem here. So approximately how many years will it take to double an investment at 6% effective annual rate? So for this problem, natin ginatawag na rule of 72 if it will take to double an investment. So ikuha lang mo siya ang rule of 72, ang 72 i-divide lang mo siya sa imong investment rate. So ang solution nato dito is 72 over 6 na rate nimo. 72 divided by 6 is 12. So mana imong answer, mana imong years para madouble ang investment. So ang answer is letter